In today's fast-paced world, becoming a millionaire seems like an impossible dream for many. But what if I told you that you could turn $0 into $1 million by making smart investments in just 6 easy steps? So get ready to embark on a financial journey that will change your life forever. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest tech review and concept render. Welcome to our channel, and in this video, we will be talking about the 6 steps to turn $0 into $1 million. So stay tuned. It may sound unbelievable, but it's entirely possible with the right mindset and strategy. 4. Embrace lifelong learning. 6. Practice patience and persistence. Turning $0 into $1 million takes time and patience. There will be ups and downs along the way, but it's important to stay focused on your goals and not get discouraged by temporary setbacks. Remember, Rome was not built in a day, and neither is wealth. Stay persistent in your efforts and trust in the process. Success will eventually come. Becoming a self-made millionaire requires continuous learning and adaptation. Folks, the 6 easy steps to turn $0 into $1 million. With the right mindset, financial goals, multiple streams of income, a commitment to learning, a strong network, and patience, you can achieve millionaire status. Remember, it's never too late to start. Take action today and work towards building your dream life. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share for more informative content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. The path to success is rarely easy, and you must be willing to learn from your mistakes and those of others. Read books, attend seminars, and connect with successful individuals in your field. By expanding your knowledge and skills, you'll be better equipped to make smart investments and take advantage of new opportunities. Remember, lifelong learning is the key to unlocking your full potential. Before diving into the world of finance, it's crucial to adopt the right mindset. 5. Network with like-minded individuals. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals is crucial for your success. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and reach out to individuals who inspire you. Your network can provide you with valuable insights, support, and opportunities that would not have been possible otherwise. Remember, your network is one of your most valuable assets. Millionaires possess a unique way of thinking that sets them apart from the crowd. They are goal-oriented, disciplined, and are willing to take calculated risks. To cultivate the right mindset, educate yourself on personal finance, read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. This video will reveal the secret blueprint that has allowed countless individuals to achieve millionaire status without starting with a large sum of money. Without a roadmap, you'll struggle to stay focused and motivated. Start by determining how much money you want to make, then break it down into smaller, achievable milestones. Having a written plan will help you stay accountable and track your progress. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step No. 1. Start with the right mindset. This means having various sources of revenue that bring in money even while you sleep. One way to achieve this is by investing in dividend stocks. These are companies that pay a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a steady stream of passive income. Another option is to invest in real estate. You can rent out a property and receive rental income every month. Diversifying your income streams reduces your reliance on a single source and increases your earning potential. Step No. 2. Define your financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is essential for turning $0 into $1 million. Step No. 3. Create multiple streams of income. To build wealth, you need multiple streams of income. Step No. There you have it.